Students, now let us start with question number 3. It says, in figure 6.18, if LM is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This I have written wrong. AN by AD. Now beta, see here, it is given that in this triangle ML is parallel to BC. So आप यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB given. Therefore, हम रेशो ले रहे हैं AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. AM by AB to prove देखते हुए AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. This is by, you can say either corollary of BPT or just you can write by basic proportionality theorem. Also in triangle ADC, अब हम लोअर ट्राइंगल ले रहे हैं ADC. LN is parallel to CD given. LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. Therefore, अब ये हम क्या ले रहे हैं? AN by AD. मैंने आपको बोला था एक इंटरसेप्ट बाय कंप्लीट साइड भी हम ले सकते हैं. AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. AL by AC. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. दोनों equation में right hand side same है. So from 1 and 2 left hand side will also be equal. From 1 and 2 AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. सेम रीजन यहाँ पर रिपीट हो रहा है तो बार बार सेम रीजन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. इफ डिफरेंट रीजंस आर कमिंग देन यू हैव टू राइट ईच एंड you have to write reason for every step. But if same reason is coming again and again, it is enough if you write the reason only once. With this we complete question number 3. Now let us move to question number 4. Question number 4 says, in figure 6.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. अब बेटा ये स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे? हम सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि जो ये पैरेलल लाइंस है ये कौन से ट्राइंगल में आ रही है. DE parallel to AC. This DE is parallel to AC. It is coming in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. तो अब रेशो कैसे देखो? BF by FE is equal to BE by EC चाहिए. तो हमारे पास अगर हम ये पैरेलल लाइन देख रहे हैं जब इफ वी आर वॉचिंग तो ये रेशो आ रहा है BE by EC. तो दूसरा रेशो क्या होगा? BD by DA. So DE is parallel to AC. Therefore BD by DA is equal to BE by EC by basic proportionality theorem. अब दूसरी लाइन जो पैरेलल दी हुई है वो DF हमें दी हुई है पैरेलल टू AE. सो ये कौन से ट्राइंगल में आ रही है? इन ट्राइंगल DB, इन ट्राइंगल ABE, इन ट्राइंगल ABE DF is parallel to AE. तो फिर क्या रेशो बन जाएगा? BD by DA, BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. Now look, consider this as 1 and this as 2. Look at 1 and 2 equation. यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में BD by DA है, यहाँ पर भी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में BD by DA है. So on right hand side BE by EC will be equal to BF by FE. So from 1 and 2 BE by EC is equal to BF by FE, और यही हमें प्रूव करना था. बेटा बेस्ट वे टू स्टार्ट इज चेक the given parallel lines lie in which triangle. After that you can use BPT or corollary of BPT. Now question number 5 says, in figure 6.20, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. DF is parallel to OR. We need to prove that EF is parallel to QR. Proof. बेटा फिर से हम यही देखेंगे जो गिवन लाइंस पैरेलल है वो कौन से ट्राइंगल में है. नाउ DE is parallel to OQ in triangle PQO. So we will write in triangle PQO, DE is parallel to OQ given. Therefore, रेशो PE by EQ, ये वाला जो ये DE लाइन है पैरेलल है इसके, तो PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO is equal to PD by DO. Mark it as 1 and it is by basic proportionality theorem. Now the other line given is DF parallel to OR and it is in triangle POR. So in triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR given. Therefore, again by BPT, PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. So PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. ये मैंने इस तरफ लिख दिया उल्टा करके ताकि दोनों की राइट हैंड सेम लिखे. PD by DO. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, both the equations have their right hand side equal, so their left hand side will also be equal. So PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now look at these ratio. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. तो अगर हम ये कंसिडर करें लाइन EF, तो ये लाइन EF it is dividing these two sides in the same ratio. So by converse of BPT, EF will be parallel to QR. So this implies by converse of basic proportionality theorem, EF is parallel to QR.